Well, after 13 days of waiting, I had received my Sonoff remote switch module in this black cover, and I already teared it apart. And here it is, the real Playboy, and it's nice package. But I got wrinkles somewhere here and there. After unboxing, I got this nice Sonoff Wi-Fi smart switch, basic, with some flaps over here and here, four threaded screws, and some nice paperwork. But I think this one. I don't know which language is this. I have to search for that. Maybe Russian. I don't know. But this one contains both English as well as the Chinese, and a QC pass paper, nice paperwork, and it's a nice package. And thanks banggood for sending me this with responsibility and in time. Thank you.